The house is designed to be suitable for a family to live in a small space and on a low budget. The video will highlight the exterior view, interior design, construction cost, and floor plan of the house in detail. So stay tuned to Jahid Hasan for the full video. Today's house is designed by us in an area of 950 square feet. The length of the house is 33 feet 8 inches and the width is 28 feet 3 inches. The house has 2.2 decimal land. This house has 3 bedrooms, 1 drawing room, 1 dining room, 1 kitchen, and 2 toilets. If you want, you can get your dream house designed directly or online through us according to your land size and your needs, for which you can contact the number given on the screen. We try to design this small house in a modern way. If you like our designs, then definitely let us know in the comments and subscribe to the channel. So far we have seen the exterior of the house. Now we have seen how the interior rooms of the house are arranged. At the beginning of the entrance to the house, a 14 feet by 4 feet entry porch has been kept. As soon as you enter through the porch, you will find a 14 feet by 9 feet drawing room. Sofas on 2 sides of the drawing room. One side has a TV cabinet and the other side is kept open for entry inside. Along with this, a window has been kept for ventilation. If you enter through the drawing room, you will find a dining space measuring 7 feet by 19 feet 5 inches long. You will get access to all the rooms from this dining room. A large window has been kept so that even if the lights are not turned on during the day, there is enough light and air. The first bedroom, measuring 13 feet by 13 feet, is placed on the right side of the drawing room. In addition to the bed, there is a TV cabinet in the front of the bedroom, a wardrobe on the side, and a computer table and shelf in the corner. The bedroom has a simple ceiling design and a window for ventilation. A kitchen measuring 7 feet 7 inches by 7 feet is placed in front of the first bedroom and to the left of the dining room. Since the kitchen has a pantry and cabinet, you can use it efficiently in a small space. You will also get a window for ventilation. The second bedroom, measuring 11 feet by 12 feet, is placed right in front of the kitchen. A wardrobe and a table are placed in 2 corners of the bedroom. A window is placed in the bedroom for adequate light and air. The second bedroom has an attached toilet measuring 5 feet 7 inches by 4 feet 7 inches. The toilet has a basin in front, then a shower area, and finally a toilet, and adequate ventilation has been provided. Standard-sized windows have been provided in each room of the house for adequate light and air. A common toilet measuring 6 feet by 4 feet 7 inches has been provided for the drawing room and bedroom in front of the dining room. This toilet also has a basin in front, then a shower area, and finally a toilet. And adequate ventilation has been provided. The third bedroom, measuring 11 feet by 12 feet, is located to the left of the common toilet. The bedroom has a TV cabinet in front of the bed and a wardrobe on the side. Along with that, the ceiling has been designed in a simple way and a window has been placed in the bedroom for ventilation. This is how the rooms inside the house are arranged. At this stage, the location of the rooms in the house has been seen through the 3D floor plan. Entry veranda, drawing room, first bedroom, dining room, kitchen, second bedroom, common toilet, attached toilet, third bedroom. According to the current market price, it will cost around 17 to 18 lakh taka to completely build this house. And if you get the interior designed, then the cost will depend on the quality of the design. If you want to get the drawing designed through us, you can contact the number given on the screen. Be sure to tell us how you like the design in the comments and subscribe to the channel.